Good afternoon, everybody. We have some new incoming vehicles. We have a 2019 Toyota Sequoia. We have a 2020 Honda Accord. Another 2020 Honda Accord. We have a BMW 5 Series 2019. We have a 2020 Ford F-150. Really nice car. Easy front end damage. It's the only damage there. Really nice. It'll be on the website today. We have a Ford Ranger 2020. It's a parts car if anybody needs any parts. We have a 2021 Acura TLX A-Spec. Got damage down the side. And a 2021 Subaru Forester. It'll all be on the website soon. Give us a call. Thanks for watching.